Oh, he's trying to bail. He's trying to bail. They're gonna fucking shoot this dude.
Sam 2, guy's trying to run his car into.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh, he's trying to bail. He's trying to bail. They're gonna fucking shoot this dude.
Sam 2, guy's trying to run his car into.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Go! 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 Get in the car! Get in the car! Get in the car! Let's go! Go! He tried to ram us. Go! 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 Drive! 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 Yeah, I got him. Controlling the Sam 2. We're going to be northbound Paradise for medicine, pursuing. He crashed an out-of-control vehicle. Brake. Shots were fired at that vehicle. He's still northbound Paradise. Go down Paradise.
Copy. Paradise and Karen 4-1.
Please come on, pursuit. Go down Paradise. Get on the ground, fucker. Get on the ground. Let me see your fucking hand. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground. Hey, clear that car. Make sure that car is cleared. Make sure his car is cleared.
Sam 2, we need medical.